In this workshop we're going to be learning how to do some really basic petals for a basic flower or heart. To create this petal shape, you basically need to just start on the tip of your brush, lift it up a little bit and create a round little shape at the top, and then bring it back down into a point at the bottom. It's always good to practice your shapes as many times as you can with one strokes so that you get super comfortable with the movement of your brush. The first quick design that you can do with this simple round petal shape is of course a heart. So first start off with one little petal, and then starting just on the edge of that first petal you can create one next to it to create a super quick heart. Another super quick design that you can do with these shapes is you can pretty much just make the same sort of heart shape, starting with one petal and then attaching another petal to it, but then flipping your brush around and then doing one on the other side as well. You can create a cool little butterfly. But of course the main design that you would use for these petals is of course a very nice basic flower. So first start off with one petal, then instead of going right next to that petal you want to go a little bit off the side of the petal and create another one. Then you can create 5 petals in a circular shape to create a nice 5-petal flower. This is a super quick little design, and if you're doing face painting, any little kid would be happy with this. But of course you can also add some extra detail. So using a number 2 or number 4 round brush, you just want to grab a bit of black and then you can create some outlines for your flower. Carefully outline each one of your petals, but try to keep a little space in the middle. Now you can add a little center of your flower. This is the reason why you want to keep that little space, because if you're wanting to use another color then you won't mix it too much with the black. But I'm just adding a black center into the middle anyway, so it's easy to see. Then from the center of my flower I'm creating a couple of little lines going out into the petals to kind of give it more of a creased sort of petal-y effect. You can of course add whatever details you want around your flower. Here I'm just adding a few fun little teardrops, and then I'm going to go in with my white and add some highlights. After a few more extra details, my flower is completely finished. So of course you can use whatever colour one stroke that you want for this design, and you can also add whatever other details that you like. This is a super quick little design that you can use for little kids or older kids even, and it will only take you about 2 minutes to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can see our other little one-stroke tutorials. All of our one-strokes are available on our website, which is www.bodyfxshop.com.